Crazy, bro, you feel me? Like, I had to do this beat. A lot of people be doing this beat and they be crying, and I ain't gonna cry, but I'ma kill the beat, like, for real. Like, they be killing that bitch, but shit, I think I could do better. You feel me? If this is what I'ma do, I'ma go hard at it. So listen to this. A lot of shit had to go. I was crying when he took Tony, yo. Man, my cousin, he was something like my bro. Since he left, it don't feel the same no more. For my kids, yeah, I will let it blow. I see the rainbow, but where is the gold? Shit was wrong, mama left us in the cold. Tried my sister, but my mama let it go. Man, this shit really hurt. Got these fucking little girls out here wearing little skirts. I don't hide my heart, I just put it on my shirt. It was never really me, always put my kid first. If you was a real parent, then you know how it worked. That fuck nigga Chris, yeah, you would get murked. I didn't want to do it, so I put it on this verse. I'm struggling with life like I got a fucking curse. Your girl called me Papa like my last name is Smurf. Pussy real wet, so you know I had to surf. I got a good girl that is really down to earth. But fuck it, let me get out my feelings. When you hear my flow, just know it's off the ceiling. Smoking on that loud shit, snaking like some chitlins. Just that 10-toe challenge, so you know I had to kill it. A lot of niggas talk, they was never really with it. When a nigga beat your ass, don't you call my phone sniffing. Dunking on these niggas like my last name is Griffin. Me and you was like Jordan and Pippen. Now you with him, a lot of shit got different. If we did you like that, you would really start tripping. So I'm done with this song, but I'ma let the beat finish.